Alright guys, so you're looking to speed up your computer, right? Tired of those long loading times? Well, I've got something you need to check out. The Samsung 860 EVO 500GB SSD. This little guy is a SATA drive, so it's super easy to install in most desktops and laptops, and it's a serious game changer. I've been using this 860 EVO for a while now, and honestly, it's made a huge difference. Boot times are insanely fast, programs open in a snap, and even heavy multitasking feels smooth as butter. We're talking about sequential read speeds up to 550 MB/s and write speeds up to 520 MB/s. That's like 5 times faster than a regular hard drive. Think about what that means for your workflow. No more waiting around for things to load. Samsung uses something called VNAND technology in this SSD, which is basically their secret sauce for making these drives so fast and reliable. Plus, they've bumped up the turbo-write buffer size, which means even large file transfers are going to be lightning quick. I've been editing some pretty hefty video files on this thing, and it hasn't skipped a beat. Now, I know some of you are thinking about longevity. Well, Samsung rates this drive for 1.5 million hours of reliability, which is crazy. And they back it up with a 5-year warranty, so you know they stand behind their product. They also offer hardware-based encryption, which is great for keeping your data safe. One thing to keep in mind is that this is a 2.5-inch SATA drive. So, if you have a super slim laptop or a newer system with an M.2 slot, you might want to look at an NVMe drive. But for most standard desktops and laptops, this 860 EVO is the perfect upgrade. It's a solid, reliable, and affordable way to breathe new life into your old machine. Seriously, if your computer is feeling sluggish, this is the first thing you should consider. It's a no-brainer upgrade. The 500GB size is a sweet spot for most people, giving you plenty of space for your operating system, programs, and files. You can find larger capacities if you need them, but for everyday use, 500GB is usually more than enough. So, yeah, highly recommend checking out the Samsung 860 EVO. It's a fantastic SSD that offers incredible performance for the price.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.